Welcome to 876 Manhattan Beach Boulevard, unit number 3. This fourplex has been beautifully remodeled with new windows, fresh paint inside and out, new garage door openers, and it has free laundry on site. Unit number 3 is an upper floor unit. It has beautiful hardwood floors, a ceiling fan in the dining room, and the kitchen has been completely remodeled with all new cabinetry, countertops, and appliances. This unit includes water, trash, and gardener, and the tenant pays gas and electric. The bedroom has a ceiling fan, closet space above and below, and hardwood floors. The hallway does have not only linen storage, but another large closet. And the bathroom has also been totally redone with all new tile, vanity, and flooring and toilet. If interested in viewing or applying, please check us out at jamico.com.